Our fully managed service is the most popular service we have. We will carry out everything for the landlords from start to end. So we start with advertising the property with all our full virtual tours, floor plans and viewings. We will be thoroughly referencing all the tenants and keeping in touch with you on that. We will carry out all the compliance checks as well, things like putting in place gas safety certificates, electrical certs, energy performance certificates. We will check everything. We will then also do all the tenancy agreements, make sure the deposits are protected, and landlords can just have a hassle-free experience from giving us their properties and letting us handle everything from start to end. We will arrange to collect all the rents as well, chase for any arrears. If you have a property under our full management, we will be able to add our rent guarantee as well onto it to reduce any risk of not receiving rent. The best thing to do is to ring us for an in-depth conversation. We can then discuss your unique situation, your unique requirements, and we can discuss a strategy for the management and rental of your property. A rent valuation will take about 40 minutes if we were to attend the property, but that will be the best way of seeing the condition as well as meeting you to discuss any issues and questions that you may have.